This is finally lots of winners today in the game. Lots of winners. What's that? Oh, I will show my work game. Oh, there had to be at least 6 or 7. As a little subtitle here, children, write comparing hyphen ordering them. Looking at decimals and comparing them, and how do you know if one decimal is bigger than another? And example number 1 could be relatively important. What if I have 12.3 and I compare that to 1.23? You will notice that both of those numbers happen to have the same exact digits, 1, 2, and 3, and they both happen to be in the exact same order. However, they are not the same number. When you look at two numbers that have decimals, what do you think is the first thing you should look at? You should kind of go through like a checklist. Or, back in the day, we called it what? Started with an A, an algorithm. I guess what's our algorithm? Our way of doing, comparing, and ordering decimals. The first thing you should look at is, Kevin, what do you think? Right. We call that the whole number. The first thing you want to do is look at the whole number. That's the cough I was hoping I would hear. And if you look at this one, you can stop after you look at the whole number, because this has a whole number of 12 and this has a whole number of 1. It doesn't matter what decimal comes after 1. 12 is always going to be bigger than 1. And you could have just the number 12 here and 1.9 going on forever and ever and ever, and 12 is still going to be giantly, hugely bigger than that. So that's the first thing you look at. And in this case, we can stop right there. Everybody's happy because the whole number is bigger. We didn't have to do a whole lot of work there. And yes, you will write out those problems like that so you can see it. But what happens? Well, didn't that give us a harder one than that? Am I not supposed to just look at the whole number? That's gonna. No, that would be a shame. What if the whole number? Let's do this. 8.03 compared to 8.30. Now, in this case, we can go past step number 1 because the whole numbers are the same. After that, then, what do you suppose your thought process should be? Brady?
Look at the number after the decimal.
Yeah. You've got to be a little more specific. I will give you that. I will say compare digits after the decimal. Decimal 1 by 1. And what I mean by that, this hopefully will help you. We know that the 8s are the same. Alright, so I look at the first digit after the decimal here is a 0, and the first digit after the decimal there is a 3. You can then stop with that, okay, because this has nothing in the tens place. This has a 3 in the tens place. It doesn't matter what happens after that. 3 is always bigger than 0. I could have this written down for my number on this side over here. And I could compare that to 8.3. because this still has a 0 in the tens place, this has a 3 in the tens place, it doesn't matter what these are. 3 is always bigger than 0. And a good example of that is in money. You know, if you have $8.50 compared to $8.09, even though this 9 as a digit is larger than the 5, because this 9 is in the hundreds place, that's like 9 pennies. This is like 5 dimes. That is going to be bigger. Wow. And then one more example. That was comparing them. What about ordering them? Like when you go to McDonald's and you say, I would like a decimal, please. And they'll ask you, would you like fries with your decimal? And you're like, not a big fan of fries. Order from least to greatest. From least to greatest. And here are our numbers. What if I have 1.02 and I have 1.12 and I have 1.2? Anybody? If you were ordering those, what is your thought process? I don't want just the answer. I want you to talk me out how you got that answer. For example, what is the smallest? How do I know what's smaller, what's bigger, what's in the middle, what's where it is? John Daffenberg?
Look at the whole numbers, and as you can see that they're all the same.
I do see that they're all the same. Thank you for that.
And then look at the tenths, and then see which one is bigger. If there's a 0, there's a 2, and there's a 1, and I would say the 2 would be bigger.
Okay, and that's pretty much, John kind of hit it right there. Remember we said compare 1 for 1. Okay, this one in the tenths place is a 0, that one has a 1, that was a 2. The whole numbers are the same, so you can kind of get that. So 1.02 is the smallest. 1.12 would be next, and then 1.2 would be there. Yeah, maybe I looked at the problem wrong. I probably gave you the answer not the way they gave it to me. But please note, you know, why would this, isn't 12 bigger than 2 though? Yeah. But see, you should think about it like this, because you can always put a 0 after that. What's bigger, 12 or 20? 20. This 2 is in the tens place. So that would be more than what you would have that. Look, John's here. Oh, where was John? John was over there next to Brody. So, good enough. We are going to stop this crazy